Hi, my name is Kerry Delbridge. I'm the executive chef at Brix Napa Valley. The entire property is 19 acres of vineyard space, garden space, and restaurant space. Upon moving to Napa Valley, we got introduced to really incredible produce, kind of leading to my philosophy now of really letting the produce speak for itself and preparing them very simply and letting the natural flavor show through. My favorite thing about working at Brix is the gardens. All year round we have different produce coming out. Right now we've got tomatoes and squash, which all are highlights on our menu. We also work with a lot of farmers locally, getting all of the best produce that they have to offer when it's fresh in season. The best part about Brix is the guest dining experience, that they can see the chefs walking through the gardens and picking ingredients that are going to be in their dishes that night. Our caprese salad starts off with tomatoes that we pick fresh out of our garden daily, basil and our house-made tomato donuts. Our smoked eggplant and goat cheese ravioli comes on a bed of cranberry beans, and we're going to feature our Brix burger, which starts off with locally made panda meat buns, pickled peppers that come out of our garden, and fresh ground patties that we make in-house. I believe in using locally sourced and organic ingredients because they are the highest quality. The less travel time, the fresher you're going to receive your produce, and the more flavorful it is on the plate. Please come by Brix and experience dining in our garden with the views of the Mayakama Mountains.